Hello guys, welcome back. This is a part 2 of me trading the Fridays. So I thought I should just get away from the charts since I didn't really see anything developing. But I do believe they will push up because I still see this point of control as a big support. I still have these imbalances up here that I can trade towards. And this falling profile was created here on the S&P as well, which acted as a big support zone as well. So I have a lot of confidences to take these longs. I'm not risking that much. I'm risking around $150 to $200, which is not that much. And my profit target would be these highs, these imbalances, as I said. So it's almost 3 to 1 risk reward, 4 to 1. So it's not that bad. This might take a while, this trade, but I would expect them to move up to recover all these imbalances. The new 1 hour candle will come out in 5 minutes. So yeah, let's just see if S&P and Nasdaq can hold these zones and push up, hopefully. So let's see. Nice push up, so that you can just get a feel for how the price moves and how they like to move from this point on the S&P and how they like to hold this zone on the Nasdaq. So they're just basically just building longs at the lows of the point, at the lows of the session, which this is the session. These are the lows of the session, and they're building longs at these lows so they can go up and sell higher for profits, of course. So that's the logic for the trades. We can see a move up, nice, 109.17. You can see just the amount of buying happening on the S&P and Nasdaq as they're moving up, which is very good. We want to see those buyers coming in because that suggests people being interested in higher prices. So it's going to push prices up, of course. That's a very strong candle to the upside. I just need to see them close strongly with that candle, and I just need to see them hold this 50 MA to then push up, imbalance recovery, happy days, get off. So let's see. And also another thing I want to tell you guys also that I won't be talking much in this session because I want you guys to look for yourself to see what you are looking, and I want you guys to build a story in your head and tell yourself what you are looking for, what you see, would you get out from the trade, and where you would get out from the trade, and just build a story. So yeah. Well, that's a very fast drop, as expected, of course, with the new 1 hour candle, but I didn't expect it to be that big of a drop. And even though it dropped that quickly, this might be good for us because we know they left out a big imbalance up here, this red vector. We can see previously they made this red vector candle, they went up. They're doing the same thing. They made this red vector candle, they should move up. Or we need to see them break this 50 MA. That's the only point in the chart that is posing as a bit of a threat. But we can still see how S&P is holding this point, this value area, which will soon become point of control if they transact around 1,000 contracts more. We can still see that this point of control on the Nasdaq is holding out as well. So we are not worried. We're not using that much size. So yeah, let's be patient and see what happens next. Okay, this could be a move up. Let's see. Good push up above the 50 MA. Still seeing a lot of buying. Good. 245, 247. We just need to close strongly above this 50 MA. Come on. A lot of imbalances up here. People are building shorts right here, believing that it can't break down or that it can't break up. So let's see. Seems like they went down again. This is a very strong resistance zone. Someone is here trying their best to hold out price. We can see a lot of people are happily buying up here, so I don't know. We gotta see. We gotta wait and see. We can see they are also not interested in the lows as well. So I mean, this is just Friday's price action. Up, down, up, down. Just trying their best to put you out of the trade, make you get out before they make the move up. So you just gotta wait. Nothing else to do. Another drop to the downside. Probably another stop run down. Shakeout longs to go up. Let's see. Unless they of course break this low, then I'm gonna get out. Very hard trading. You can just see it, how they want to go up, but they're not. And even if they do sweep this low, they probably will go up. They may base out here again to then maybe go up. Or maybe even do this and then snap down again. So I mean, it's just Friday's price action, nothing else. But that's why I'm using low size. Of course, we can manage these losses if they occur. It's not that big of a loss. So yeah, that's the most important thing. Nice move up on both assets. Let's see if they can continue down. This will probably be the last chance that I give them to move up. If they don't move up now, I'll probably just cut the trade. I mean, no reason to stay in the trade. 276 buy set on the S&P. We are at the point of control on S&P again. Can they manage to hold? We can see a lot more buying on the S&P, but it's even on the Nasdaq, which is interesting. We can see that previously they have broken this 50 MA, but we can see how they just linger around, go up, down, then drop. So I'm gonna assume the same thing is gonna happen again, unless of course I see that fast move up. So this next candle needs to prove everything. This right here, this next candle is proving if this move will continue up or if it's gonna drop again and do this endless up and down. So let's see. it's very, very tempting to just take the profits now and just get off the charts. Just appreciate how much I won from this horrible price action. I'm even surprised I'm in profits right now. But I just want to get out so bad from this trade. But we are so close to our goal, you know? But I know you guys can feel the same way sometimes. You just wait for the trade and you are in a profit, you're in a loss. There's the move, nice. Come on, can we continue up? Come on. I just want to take something off the table. I just have to. I just have to take something at least. This whole move absolutely shattered me. It's... I don't know. I just have to take something. Let's put this at break even and... Like I know you guys sometimes feel the same. You just place a trade. You wait for it to get hit. But it doesn't get hit for like 20-30 minutes. And then when the move to the upside happens and you actually do become profitable, or when you actually do get into profits, you just want to get out from the trade so bad because you can see how many times they tried to go up but they didn't, and you believe that this move up will also be that flop, they're gonna move down again, so you just have that battle with yourself. But I do believe this will go up since they've moved up so aggressively to the upside. They'll probably continue to go up even higher. I'm just gonna trail my TP and happy days. Still seeing buyers coming in, which is good. 120 offer on the Nasdaq, gonna act as a magnet. Still got these imbalances up here. 190, 282, that's a lot of buying. We can still see a lot more buying than selling on both contracts, which is good. Can they continue up even further? Let's see. I'm gonna probably lock in my profits. There we go. You can see this imbalance left out on the Nasdaq. This blue vector, they might come down to recover it. But sometimes when they're stuck in this zone for so long and they make a move up, sometimes they just continue to go up and then they don't even stop. They just go up and up and up, which might be happening now or might not because I can see them retracing down. Let's see if this vector can hold. If it can, then this 38 should be support. If not, it's gonna flush down. I'm gonna take the profits and happy days. And also, I want to thank anyone who is still watching. If you guys watched till this point, I appreciate you guys so much. Even though you guys are watching this for yourself, I mean, you're not really watching this video to see if I'm gonna profit or not. I mean, some of you will, but most of you want to just see how I trade and how I'm profitable, and you want to do the same thing, so you want to learn. So you're doing this for yourself as well. So yeah, you can thank me, you can thank yourself as well. So yeah, it's gonna get hit. Happy days. Take profits on the S&P. Yeah, that's it. Wow, very hard time to trade. This was absolutely like, that's why I didn't even want to talk that much, because I would just repeat the same thing. I would just repeat, okay, I'm seeing buyers, comes down. Okay, seems some buyers, offers coming in, connect as a magnet, can these bids hold, then you see a drop. It would just be me saying the same thing over and over again. And I kinda knew that would happen. So that's why I just said to you guys, I'm probably not gonna talk. I just want to let you guys talk for yourself, just build a story of what you think is happening. So I did that to you guys. So I hope you guys had the right idea. We managed to stay in the trade. at this move up, I just said, guys, if they don't move up from here, I'm probably gonna just get out, take the break even up down here and call it a day. But they actually did make a move up, and you also heard me guys say I just had to take something off the table, and I did, and I'm glad I did, because we can see they moved down from that point where we took the profits. That's why I always say, guys, take your profits, always pay yourself in this game. That's the most important thing, because we never knew it was gonna go here to the first place, in the first place, and thankfully did, because we had the right read of the markets, and we were patient, and we were using less size, so we could focus on what is actually happening, and not on the profits. So yeah, guys, I'm not gonna hold you anymore. This was a longer video. So yeah, guys, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for watching the whole video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.